Newcastle School of Trades East Liverpool Campus is located at 129 East 5th Street in East Liverpool, Ohio. During the combination welding program, students become competent with well-rounded various welding techniques based on ASME and AWS specifications. Types of welding covered include MIG, TIG, stick, pipe, and more. The Electrical and Industrial Maintenance program will provide students with a variety of skills to help them maintain a major facility. Students of this program will also be trained in safety procedures and become familiar with tools used in an industrial setting. The Refrigeration and Climate Control program provides training in heating, air conditioning, commercial, and residential refrigeration and sheet metal. Students will learn how to troubleshoot, diagnose, repair, and maintain equipment that could include heaters, fans, blowers, condensers, air conditioning, and air distribution systems.